So, as you guys can see right here, we've got two New Balance boxes in what look like crates. So these are part of New Balance's collaboration with artist Joshua Vides. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm actually a huge Joshua Vides fan. There are some pieces in that he's come out with that were made available for like the general public to purchase that I bought over the last couple of years. I'm a really big fan of his. I think, you know, he's a great person all around, and I think that, you know, his work speaks for itself. So this is two sneakers that are a part of his New Balance collaboration. So he released it through his website. While I was in Cincinnati, I actually picked these up online. So then he also released them on New Balance's website about a week and a half later, but I went ahead and bought them from his site directly. Not for any reason other than I just wanted them as soon as possible. So as you guys can see here, the box is meant to look like a crate with New Balance spray painted onto the side there. It says Fragile on the side, as well as a cone, a traffic cone, to stand in for the A. And the rest of the box kind of looks just like that. Nothing too crazy, plywood pattern on the bottom. Both boxes look exactly the same. You've got his signature and 2001 written on the top, which is kind of how he signs his things. So I want to get into this. Oh, nice. This is the S327, which is a New Balance model. So you got the paper that says Vides on the side. I said this is a New Balance model, obviously, but you got this lifestyle New Balance model right here. Give you guys a better look. It's kind of hard to pick up because of the camera and the exposure, but let me see if I can move the lights here. So here you guys can see a better look at that New Balance sneaker, the S327. This is an all black. You got suede. You got what's the name of this material? You got this like ripstop material on the side, some suede, off-white laces. You got a really low cut suede New Balance N with some patent leather peeking out. Is that patent leather? I don't know for sure. But all throughout the upper you could see white paint splatter. You got a cream midsole along with cream laces, and a very translucent gum bottom that also wraps around to the heel here. So if you guys have seen, this is one of New Balance's more recent lifestyle model releases. Inside you got black laces to go along with it. And in true reality to idea format, you've got the New Balance logo right there. Let's see if it can focus in. New Balance logo right there in black and white. Let's go ahead and take this out. On the inside, you can see New Balance, Joshua Vides logo peeking out there, and on the back of the tongue, it says the Intelligent Choice 327. Now, I didn't know how these fit, so I went ahead and got my true size for both pairs. Both models are something I don't have in the collection already, so let me go ahead and take a look at this. Yeah, very much the same looking sneaker on, for both of them. So now I picked up both pairs because I thought both of them were going to be, first of all, I really wanted to see how each of the paint splatters look, and it's unique for each shoe. So if you have a 327, it's going to look different than this 327. It's not an identical paint splatter, which I really, really enjoy. And finally, we're going to get into the 574, or I think it's the 5740. Yeah, this is the one that I really like more out of the pack. So yeah, like I said, it was a two sneaker pack, and this is the 57/40. That's officially what the model number is. And you got here a more aesthetically pleasing runner, in my opinion. You've got this off-white cream color along the whole upper, white New Balance with what looks to be like Sharpie drawn in there on the end. And then you got white midsole, black paint splatter throughout the top, and you've got that same translucent gum bottom. Translucent gum bottom. The one thing I like about this sneaker model is the fact that the black lines throughout the shoe have that almost a hand-drawn aesthetic to them. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Joshua Vides' work, I suggest you take a look at it. And what I really like about this, like I said, all the paint splatter is going to be unique on each shoe, and you could see that because there is a little bit of running in the paint splatter on the New Balance N and on the mesh toe box. Overall, black laces here, the same New Balance Joshua Vides branding on the tongue, the Intelligent Choice 57/40, and then Joshua Vides on the insole. Now, as far as I can say, I think it was well worth having both of them in hand. I was really excited to see them. The 57/40 was the model I was really excited for because I just thought it was a better looking sneaker in my opinion. Seeing these in hand, I'm really happy to have them. Now, as far as sizing goes, I went true to size, like I said. The 5'7/40 is very similar to other sneaker models that I've had from New Balance, and I thought these would fit very true to size. Same goes for these. I have a wider foot, and this is the kind of shoe that's gonna fit a little bit like tighter along the sides, so I wanted to go with my true size rather than sizing down like I normally do with New Balance or other models like that. Now these are not made in the USA like other New Balances, but that being said, the quality seems incredible on these, I'm not gonna lie to you. You got this suede on both pairs that I really enjoy in hand. You've got a lot of nice detailing, and I think craftsman-wise, as far as craftsmanship goes, these are very, very solid. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, if you guys picked up any of these pairs, or if you guys have even heard of them. If not, go ahead and see if there's anything on New Balance's site that's still available. And as always, guys, thank you for sticking around to the very end. If you did, I appreciate it. Leave a like, comment, and of course, I will see you in the next video. Until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.